Rajini fans will kill me. Ram Gopal Varma is back in news yet again, and this time for his frivolous tweets on superstar Rajinikanth. Recently, RGV tweeted Amy Jackson's selfie with Rajini from 2.0 sets on his timeline and made a few working comments on Rajini in his typical style, which obviously angered Thalaivar's fans. In his tweets, RGV called Rajini a bad looker, doesn't have six packs, short with a disproportionate body and knows just 2 half dance movements. RGV even wondered how such an ordinary-looking man became a huge superstar. Since then, Rajini fans started abusing him non-stop on Twitter. RGV later tried doing some damage control and said that he was actually praising Rajini and that these dumb fans are unable to understand his tweets. At the Killing Veerappan's Hindi version's trailer launch, RGV jokingly said that Rajini fans would kill him if he makes a film with the superstar.